MSI Modern 14 B11SBU. Define yourself and be your own inspiration. Modern series travels with you in every aspect of life. Along with elegant sandblasting finish, Modern 14 also have lustrous brushed finish available in space gray and onyx black. Powered by the latest 11th General Intel Core i5 processor. MSI Modern 14 B11SBU i511th Gen. Intel Core i5-1155 G7 processor, 8M cache, up to 4.50 GHz. 8 GB DDR43200 MHz. 512 GB NVMe M.2 SSD. 14 inches 1080p NanoEdge display IPS level. NVIDIA GeForce MX450, with 2 GB GDDR. Connect to every possibilities equipped with 2 USB-A and Thunderbolt port, makes connecting devices easier. With the micro SD card reader and HDMI output, you can capture vivid pictures without any hassle and enjoy various experience in life. All in one port with a Thunderbolt port, the Modern series is highly versatile, supporting data transfers up to 40 gigabits per second, and with power delivery, you can rapidly charge your devices. Audio combo USB 3.2 Gen 2. Accelerate your laptop with dedicated graphics. Optional, the NVIDIA GeForce MX450 accelerates your laptop for work and play. Now, you can expect even faster performance over the latest integrated graphics for photo editing, video editing, and gaming. It also works seamlessly with NVIDIA Optimus technology to give you the perfect balance between long battery life and performance. Type freely and comfortably. The optimized 1.5mm key travel and the responsive feedback of each keystroke on the Modern series makes the typing experience more ergonomic. The backlit keyboard illuminates the keys brilliantly, so you can easily record your passionate things in dimly lit situations. Maximum memory 32 GB. Maximum memory per slot 32 GB. Number of memory sockets 1.